Have you ever wanted a remote control that was just as smart as your TV? If that's you, then you're going to want to definitely check out this remote right here. This is the iPazzPort Universal Air Mouse Remote Controller. This thing is jam-packed with features, and in today's video, I want to go over just everything that this offers and how you can benefit from all that it has. But first things first, my name is Marbu, and here on YouTube, I do a lot of tips and tutorials about filmmaking, and I also do a lot of gear reviews. And iPazzPort actually reached out to me and sent me this remote control to use, try out, see the type of value that I can get from a device like this, and then report back to you guys to show you basically how I was able to benefit off of it. They didn't get any input as to what I'm going to say in this video, and they did not get to watch this video before it was released. So now that that's out the way, let me pretty much unbox this thing to show you what it comes with. So as you can see, I kind of ripped the box open like a madman, so I didn't bother putting the remote back in there, but this is the box. This is the user manual right here. I'm not even sure if this is the exact cable that they gave me because I have about 100 of these cables in my house, but you can expect to get a USB-C cable to charge the remote right here, because this remote actually has lithium batteries on the inside, so it is rechargeable. It's going to be a USB-C and a USB-A connector right here, and this is going to be the adapter which you're going to plug into your TV, laptop, whatever device that you want to use the Air Mouse with. So the first plus about this remote, like I just stated, is you do not have to worry about putting batteries in this thing. It has a rechargeable battery on the inside that's powered via USB-C. And the second and probably the biggest feature of this remote is going to be that keywordy full keyboard. Now, the thing that is going to help you out the most with, I don't know if this is something that you have found frustration with, but if you're watching, say, Netflix or any other type of streaming service where you got to type something in, sometimes when you got to like use the remote and you got to go to each letter, I know that they try to assume or automate what they think that you're typing in. Sometimes you have to type the full thing in, or if you're logging into something, then you got to put in your email and write out the whole email. It could be a little bit cumbersome having to go through each letter and do it. Now with this full keyboard, it works seamlessly, just like a keyboard, just as if you were typing on a keyboard. So that's going to make it faster to do things like search movies on Netflix or things on YouTube, or log in if you're the type of person who wants to plug this remote up to your computer and do any type of typing. You don't have to worry about even being in front of your computer in arm's reach, because you can easily just use the wireless capabilities of a remote like this in this full keyboard to do basically anything you need to do with it. And like I said, if you plan to use this type of remote to replace your TV remote, you get that added benefit, because as you know, about 99% of the TV remotes that are out do not come with a full keyboard on the back. So that's the plus. And to piggyback off the statement of this remote replacing your TV remote, it also has full IR control, meaning that you can set it up with your TV where these buttons right here, the volume buttons and the page buttons and the mute button, could actually work directly with your TV. So once you kind of have that, you're not even going to need the remote that came with your TV or anything like that anymore, because you can just use this for, you know, full functionality and control over your TV. Another feature that I found very useful with this remote, both on TVs and a laptop, depending on what you're trying to do, is the voice control. And it pretty much works very simple. You just push this little voice button right here in the middle, say whatever you need to say, whether you have, you know, your cursor inside of a search bar or you're on Netflix or YouTube, say whatever you want to say and whatever you command will pop up. NFL.com. NBA.com. Now this thing operates on Bluetooth at 2.4 gigahertz. That works seamlessly with the Air Mouse functionality and controlling the cursor with this thing. So whether or not you have it plugged up to a laptop or you have it plugged up to a TV and you want to access something, click on it as if you were using a computer. It has a 6-axis sensor in this thing, so moving that cursor around is really fluid, really responsive. don't have any type of issues with that. And if you push the cursor button actually on the remote right here, you can actually turn the cursor off if you don't want to be moving the remote around and have the cursor just going all over the place. Now this thing works on all different types of devices, Mac, PC, projectors, TV screens, you name it. And it also works across different operating systems, Mac, Android, what have you. Now, if you're like me and you have a newer Mac computer and you want to use this thing, you're going to have to buy a USB-C adapter for your adapter that came with this thing. So you're going to have to put a USB-A to USB-C adapter on the adapter that came with this and just plug it into your laptop. All the performance is still the same. And as for the price point of this thing, it is currently going for $23.99 on Amazon. I have an affiliate link down below if you want to check it out. For that price and all the value that this remote brings, you can't beat that deal. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it for the iPazzPort universal remote right here. If you're looking for a smart remote, a light, compact air mouse, which allows you to do voice command, IR control with your TV, has a full wordy keyboard on the back for easier surfing, check out this in the description down below. As I stated before, you will not be disappointed. And if you found any type of value with this video, I would appreciate it if you just go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Really helps out the channel. And again, please subscribe for more filmmaking tips, tools, gear reviews, all things filmmaking and tech. And until my next video, I will catch you guys later on. Peace out.